Nothing but ass in the camera.
Huh? Shut up. Huh? Well, that side did. This side's here.
Are you doing it better than you are now?
What? I'm just kicking.
Okay.
It's my job right here.
That sounds successful.
This is easy.
See, the other side worked first try.
Why don't you take a big mallet and smack the bottom of it?
Fine.
Dude, this is great content, guys.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just standing here doing this. Following somebody. Hunter, let's explain our board, dog.
Oh, yeah, this is our board, dog. What about it? It's pretty self-explanatory. This is our wheelbase length. This is our four-band roof length. Vehicle length, roll bar length. We're making one of these. 4 potato disc arm smiling.
I can't handle 4 potato seeds.
Is it loose? Okay, let's break the K-frame loose.
I lubed them all up, so we just gotta crack them all loose.
Break the mold mounts off. Break them right off. That's right. You ready, Fredward? Dude, whatever. All right, so we got the impact.
On the outside.
Get on a creepy boy. I'll slide under there with you.
Creepy boy. So what am I doing?
I'll slide under there with you. I'll probably wrench him and then you snap him different.
Dakota, put this somewhere it's not going to get disgusting.
That's a good question, man. I don't really know. I got it.
You're welcome. Felt like what?
Mutton.
Mutton?
You got mutton chops on the bottom of your calves.
That's exotic.
That's scary. All right.
My mom's an exotic.
Yeah. I'm gonna call her and ask her that later, Kane.
She is.
There's another one. I promise. Oh, it's up here. Like up here.
Yeah.
See it? Those 2 bolts. There's 2 on each side.
Oh, my. Hold on, my face.
Let me get it. Let me get your face.
Dude, like,
No, shut up.
Tell us what happened.
Okay, hold on. DWA. 10W40 right in the eyeball. Give me a second. I'll be right back.
Where'd you get 10W40 at? Isn't that oil?
Are we changing the oil?
Isn't that oil?
All right, I'm under here.
He got it in his eyes.
But what happened right here?
He should make it.
he should be fine.
As long as he doesn't have the baloney virus then.
It's the movie.
Here I am, back at it again. There's Jacob dying and stuff.
Jake, are you alive?
Dude, let's look at it, dude.
Is it weird that my eyeball feels like extra lubed up right now?
Yeah.
Well, that's what WD-40 does, brother.
You can look around.
Yeah, I can look really fast.
Yeah, I can turn my eyes so quick, dude.
Well, Jakey boy.
That sounded terrible.
Wow.
We should put some WD-40 on it.
No, please.
If you want to be under it with someone,
I would love to be.
I'm going to be over it and I'm going to be ripping this ship linkage out.
Do it. That's all.
Are we like cool with that or what?
Whatever.
All right, you saw the 4 bolts, right?
Honestly,
I'm sure
dude,
I did.
I need to like strap this to my head
Yeah.
when I go under.
It's not. It's like they make cameras for that purpose.
Huh?
It's almost like they make cameras for that purpose.
Yeah, well, you know what? I ain't got one right now. We got the laptop, we just ain't got the camera yet. Here we go.
Hey, okay.
I'm here.
I need like a whole bunch of extensions for a 1/2-inch drive wrench. What?
1/2 inch?
1/2 inch.
Big inch?
The big one. Hey, there's one. That'll work for one. My face. My face. My eye.
Your hair's just all up in the shit.
Yes, I'm sure it is.
Beautiful hair, you're just fucking it up.
I am glorious.
Let's get this turned on.
Come on, this, you big monkey. Okay.
Dude, nice. You cracked her loose.
I need another one. Why are you putting
Big
it up
old
there?
fucking
You got
arm.
everything.
Them big. Oh shit. I'm trying to cameraman. You're hitting the camera. Who the fuck's that?
Cameraman, get back. Let the men do the work here.
That was good, man. That was good. You cracked her loose. Let's get in here. Let's get in here.
What?
What an absolute.
Hey, am I supposed to break like all these loose at one time, or am I gonna die?
No, they should be fine.
Okay.
They should be fine.
Should be fine.
No, you're not gonna die, but they should be fine.
Where's the impact? Hey, can you hand me the bigger one? It should be up there.
The bigger one.
The bigger. No, the yeah. Wait. Yeah. No. Yes. No. the chuck. The thing itself. This thing. You got this, man. I believe in you.
This.
Yes, that. No, that. No, that. This. That.
A little bit of this.
No. You are very welcome.
That's that.
You know, not everybody can be.
Ow, fuck. You're welcome. I mean the fucking knee, dude.
Oh, it's too long.
That's too long.
Look at this. This is not gonna work.
That's a hell of a setup.
I can't get the drill out.
I don't know about it.
Alright, hold on. Take out that extension, put this one on here. Don't look directly in the WD-40 like I did earlier. Come back. Ow, my face.
There we go, now we're talking.
Yeah, boy, it's almost like we were thinking this time. Get up. No, that's the wrong way. There we go. That's a bolt.
Yeah, I've seen some stupid things in my life.
Too long.
Your icing my cake, not a thick one.
Dude, what a view right here, dude.
What is it?
Jacob, look.
Yeah, man.
Just look right here.
This is my best
You
angle.
got it.
Covering
I'm getting all the angles. Oh, sorry.
What are you doing? I thought someone was pinching my leg.
I was just touching you with my feet, man. Fuck.
I mean, it is what it is. Bros are bros.
Yeah.
Alright, I gotta get the other one. Wait.
Slide over. Cameraman
Ow,
and my
face.
finest. What's up, little dude? Alright, Cameron. I'm at camera. I said, alright, Cameron, you got the Jacob. Alright, Jacob, you're on the camera.
I don't want to be.
Do the best you can.
I hate this. I didn't even need the ratchet. I'm so dumb in so many ways. Get out.
This is a view right here. Huh? Is it still fucking chilling in there? It's a fucking stick. Hey, Hunter, dude. Hunter, check out this fucking control arm.
Dude, what are you doing?
What'd you say?
Look at that control arm.
This here?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing used to be owned by a beaver.
Where? It's to be owned by a beaver. Dude, hold on. Just, yeah, I was going to say, God.
Listen, I'm just
keep
buying
going.
time, okay?
Yeah.
There it is. Something's on my face. I don't know what it was, but it was weird.
God damn.
Got it.
Good job, Jacob.
It's not done.
No.
Don't tell me good job. I haven't earned the right.
I didn't even move it. Feel like a, hey, can you hand me a flathead? I'm gonna like pop down there.
Why?
What was that?
It's kind of hard.
Some fucking console.
Here.
Yeah, man, flathead.
What you're supposed to just hand my dude?
You're a flathead. Flathead. Stop being so flathead.
Yeah, flathead.
Yeah, flathead.
It's a real flathead thing to say.
Get in there. Look, I'm being useful, okay?
Oh, good God almighty.
Ready, Freddy?
Yeah.
We are
Now we're talking.
professionals.
We're talking.
Has anything moved yet?
Dude, has anybody
No,
hired me?
but there's a lot of bolts out.
All 4 bolts. Ah, my face. All 4 bolts are out.
All right, now there's a front came from there.
What?
What was that? Cray
There's a
Frimber?
front crate member. And there should be 4 bolt fits in.
Cray member.
There should be 2 bolts.
There's a front Cray member.
All right, the front came member's here.
Here's
See?
a
Two.
flathead.
Two.
So what happens after I take that out?
I don't know. Just keep your face from under there.
Yeah.
Arms and legs may be inside the vehicle. I'd remove the face.
They may be. All right, here it goes. Nope, that's a ratchet job.
It is a ratchet
Let
job.
me put some WD-40 on it.
You already put a lot of WD on it.
I think it needs more, dog.
What does WD-40 look like?
Isn't it like brown?
Sorry.
Sorry about him, guys.
Sorry. That's how Canadians say. Canadian language.
Take the K-Frimber off. There you go, Jacob. Dude, look at that.
Dude, okay, so at work, whenever they put glue, whenever they get glue on the linoleum on top of it, they have to use WD-40 to take it off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think it's brown, or like a clearish brown.
We can look at it real quick.
No, trust me, I've already got an up close and personal view.
This is the best view right here, Jiggy.
It should be.
I got literally your face and the ratchet.
I am the best looking man in a 1 foot radius. Ah, my face! Ah, come on. Okay. All right, here comes the bicep shot. And the armpit.
Yeah, it's more armpit than bicep.
Yeah, this
but-
should honestly be. All right.
There we go. All right. Did you only loosen one from each side?
No, I loosened all 4.
Okay, I didn't see the second one happening.
It's fine. It's just because I work that fast.
Now when that drops out, you're not gonna make it.
Oh, here it comes.
Is it moving?
Yeah.
She's moving. All right, ready, Freddy?
Yeah. Keep.
She's up.
Good.
Hold on.
I got you. Keep going.
All right, she's up.
All right, now, do me a flavor, Dakota. Can you like wiggle that suspension around?
Like wiggle this?
Yeah, this one.
Like the actual suspension up here.
I want to see if it's moving the engine. It is.
Okay.
It's loose.
It's
Yeah,
loose.
mounts out and it'll drop.
Okay. And then she'll drop.
So how aggressively are we doing this?
Aggressively?
Yes, aggressive.
That was like 28 syllables.
You gotta make the most of life.
Aggressively.
Making the most out of what we have, I guess.
What?
I look like a giraffe, cuz.
So get the flathead cane.
I need a,
He's just walking around with the flathead.
I need a 10 on a ratchet.
Just in case.
10 on a ratchet. Anybody need a flathead?
Can I get a 10 on a ratchet, boys?
I got the 10, boy.
Where's the ratchet?
No, it's an 11.
We need it on a ratchet.
Anybody have a flathead?
That's too big. Hey, you got a flathead cane?
Kane, you got the flathead?
Just leave it over there.
Wait, bring the flathead.
Wait, where's the ratchet?
Just leave the flathead over there.
Here's a ratchet.
There's a ratchet on the flow.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know where.
This guy knows his ratchets.
10 millimeter burner. Yes.
All right, watch out, monkey. All right, I already have the 10 millimeter.
We gotta get the shot.
You literally can't see it. Oh, there's a bolt in there if you want to know.
I like how you can still technically see. Let me get the POV.
POD. Get the pod.
Your phone smells bad.
Does it smell like a
Your
river?
hand.
A what?
Your hand.
Yeah.
Sexually arousing nut. POV.
What?
This is a bolt.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a sexually arousing bolt, not nut.
Sexually arousing bolt.
Bolt nut. But not
Bolt's
bolt.
really short. We all have no time. Dude.
Young bolt.
I should be out in absolute.
Barely legal bolt gets sexually aroused. POV. No!
That's some fine movements you got there, man.
Thanks, dude. It's usually the small ones that count. Man, bro, homie.
Honestly, your arm looks really weird right now.
Thanks.
From this angle.
I've been working on that.
I'm working on my arm looking weird.
I was born looking weird.
With the weird arm.
What the snot dizzle?
Oh my god, there's a fire.
It's on fire.
I wish he was.
I mean, it's whatever. I'm sure if you held a match close to my eyeball, it'd catch on fire right now.
That'd be pretty fun.
Let me get some.
Burn the people straight up. All right, this dropped. The weight's on that. This dropped.
K-frames loose.
Sorry, support, front support.